Charges have been dropped against the man arrested in connection with a more than 30-year-old cold case.
In court today, a judge granted the motion to dismiss the charges filed against João Monteiro. He was arrested last July in connection with the death of Christine Cole. The 10-year-old was killed in January of 1988.
Eyewitness News reporter Brittany Schaefer is live in Pawtucket tonight with what police are saying. Brittany?
Well, Mike, Shannon, Monteiro did not appear in court today. The motion hearing was brief and there were no objections, making Monteiro a free man.
Mr. Monteiro.
A 1988 cold case police believed they solved last year may have gone cold again. João Monteiro, who investigators said murdered a 10-year-old Pawtucket girl, is no longer facing charges.
There is no objection, Judge.
The Attorney General's office says the DNA evidence against the now 59-year-old is not enough. The AG's office says the YSTR evidence, quote, while not excluding the defendant, included all of his paternal male relatives.
We are respectful of their decision. And today is a hard day for the detective. He's worked hard on the case.
Christine Cole went missing after leaving to get groceries. Her body was found nearly 2 months later on a Warwick beach. Police say Monteiro lived in the apartment above the market where Cole was last seen.
As with cold cases, they're hard because of the amount of time that has elapsed. Some of the evidence may not be there, may have been destroyed.
Monteiro was released last July after prosecutors withdrew their objection to bail based on the evidence in the case. His defense attorney tells me there are no other pieces of evidence that could tie his client to the murder.
My client vehemently denies these allegations and we're going to, if this ever comes up again, which I doubt it will, we'll fight it every bit of the way.
And his attorney says Monteiro could be charged again if new evidence is found. New at 6, more from Pawtucket police, if they still believe Monteiro is a suspect. For now, live in Pawtucket, Brittany Schaefer, Eyewitness News.
A decades-old murder case that Pawtucket police thought they had solved appears to have gone cold again. Today, the charges were formally dropped against João Monteiro for the death of 10-year-old Christine Cole. Eyewitness News reporter Brittany Schaefer was at the hearing. She joins us live from Pawtucket now with the new details. Brittany?
Well, Mike, Shannon, there were no objections today during the hearing, making Monteiro a free man. Pawtucket police detectives tell me it's been a tough day. Pawtucket detectives are back at work on a 1988 cold case after the man they arrested has the murder charges dropped.
Motion to dismiss is granted, no objection.
The Attorney General's office is not taking the case to the grand jury because they say the DNA evidence against the now 59-year-old is not enough. But Pawtucket Detective Sergeant Christopher Lafort tells me Monteiro isn't being ruled out.
It's not over. We will continue to work the case. We feel we have a very strong case. We feel like our case is going in the right direction. So we look forward to working with the Attorney General's office, and we're going to continue on with this investigation.
10-year-old Christine Cole went missing after leaving to get groceries. Her body was found nearly 2 months later on a Warwick beach. Police say Monteiro lived in the apartment above the market where Cole was last seen.
As with cold cases, they're hard because of the amount of time that has elapsed. It's going to proceed forward. We're going to continue to look. We'll work the case, and obviously if new evidence becomes available to us, it'll be tested, or wherever it leads us, it'll lead us.
And his attorney says Monteiro could be charged again if new evidence is found, but tells me that's unlikely. Live in Pawtucket, Brittany Schaefer, Eyewitness News.